I'm Mike Kinderleiter with PowerWash.com and PowerWash University, and today I want to talk to you about the features and benefits of the Maverick soft wash system. This happens to be a really great unit for guys that are getting started into the power washing business, or if you like the 12-volt systems, it's a great system to keep using and keep growing your business with. But I'm going to talk about what's on the Maverick. It has a 12-volt, 7-gallon-a-minute pump on it with an accumulator tank. The accumulator tank is very beneficial because this has a micro switch on it and it reduces the pulsation in there, so your micro switch lasts a lot longer, and that micro switch has a certain amount of life. So we have a accumulator tank on here that extends the life of that micro switch. So that's why it's on there. Some people wonder why we add the accumulator tank. That helps. It also builds a little more pressure in there, so when you pull the trigger, you get a smoother flow when it comes out the end of your wand. When we put this machine on a trailer or the back of the truck, it comes equipped ready to go right into a 55-gallon tank. This drop tube just has banjo fittings on it that couple on here real easy. Just slide it on, attach it, and now if you have your concentrated bleach in a 55-gallon tank or whatever it is, but this will fit right perfect into 55 gallons, you just drop it into your 55-gallon tank. And then for your batching tank, where you're going to mix your blend, we have it set up so that you can do it right on site, real easy. You just switch this 3-way ball valve to this side. That's the direction it's going to flow. You pull your bleach, put it into your mixing tank, turn on the pump, add the amount of bleach that you want. Once that's done, add your water, add your surfactant, and you're ready to go. Flip it back around so that when you turn the pump back on again, it's going to flow into your hose reel. Let me turn this around so I can show you that. We have 200 feet of chemical resistant hose on here, another banjo fitting so it's easy to roll up and store. Let me hook this up real quick for you and show you how that works. So now that's ready to go. Let me pull it out just a little bit. There we go. Now I got my trigger gun, we got the wand, and it comes with a J-rod that has an assassin nozzle for making those high reach places. You can hit 2 to 3 stories with this. Then where you get lower and you want to use a fan tip, have a 25 degree, a 40 degree, and a 65 degree. So if you're walking the surface and you want to spray, these other nozzles are going to come in very handy, especially like a 65 for right in front of you. You're doing walls, vertical surfaces, then that comes real good. And again, those 2 to 3 stories is for the assassin nozzle at the top. I think I got everything there. So that's the Maverick soft wash system. Again, it's a great starter system for those looking to get into the soft wash field. And a lot of guys that have been doing it for a long time love 12-volt systems. This is their go-to unit, and we sell a ton of these. So if you got any questions or anything we can do to help you, give us a shout. We'll be happy to answer your questions.